Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can create invoice here on Shopmonkey. So first thing that you are going to do here is you have to open any of your web browser and then you just have to search for Shopmonkey. Okay, so let me just tap over here, Shopmonkey. And then you have this first website, so all you have to do is to tap on this one. And then of course, as you can see at the top, we don't have an option where we can sign up for an account. But yeah, you just have to book a demo for this one. But good thing about this website is they have this self-launching demo, so that's what we are going to do today. Okay, so that what we will be using. So let me just close this section right here. So currently this is a self-launching demo where you can create your invoice here on Shopmonkey. Okay, so here as you can see, you can give your customers the digital checkout experience that they expect. Okay, so you have this option right here. You just have to tap on the pay option and then give your customers more ways to pay with flexible payment options that fit every budget and boost your shop's revenue. So you have here the debit or credit card, pay transfers, or pay over time. Next one. Okay, so here for the ACH payments, so get paid faster with lower fees. ACH payments streamline cash flow directly to your shop. Okay, so you have that right here. Just have to choose the ACH. And then here we also have the BNPL payment. So you can offer your customers buy now and pay later option. So you can help them afford repairs today while you get paid up front. Okay, so you just have to go here. That's right. And then the next one is we have here the automatic surcharging. So offset credit card processing fees with surcharging, keep more of your revenue on every transaction. So you have that right here. Of course, you have to set up this one. You just simply tap on the setup and then we just have to provide the important information for this one. Next is we have the detailed reporting. Okay, so this one is very important, of course, when we talked about money, the money that we are, using. And then you can stay on top of your cash flow with a detailed payments report, so you can get full visibility into every transaction. So you have that right here for the payment report. So we have the all payments, a record of all payments received. For the payment types, we have breakdowns of payments by type, payments by customer, so payments sorted by customer, and then transaction. So here you can see the complete list of financial transactions, and for the payout, of course, so you can record payouts to your bank account. Next one, we have the all payments report, so you can track every transaction in one place. So the all payments report gives you a complete view of payment activity. So you have that right here. So you have here the total order cost, the total remaining amount, then the total payment amount. Okay, so you have here the records. And yeah, so if you would like to request for a demo so that you can use this tool before actually subscribing to a plan, then you just have to tap on the request schedule demo. And then if you are from a location where you are eligible to request a live demo, then you would be able to see the section. So all you have to do here is to provide your shop name, the shop type, and how many locations do you have, your full name, your email, and then your phone number. And then this one is not optional, but you have to tell them where or how did you hear about them. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helps solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.